Today we are talking about something really special. The night that many women anticipate for years. Their wedding night. I know I did. If you are a bride to be and it's going to be your first time, there are 3 essential items that I need you to make sure you pack them in your luggage as you go for your honeymoon or your wedding night. These 3 essential items will help you make the experience smoother, more comfortable, and definitely more enjoyable. So if this video is for you, sit down, let's dive in. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jamie Fombe. If it's your first time here, you are welcome. And if it's not your first time, then welcome back. 3 things you need to have for your wedding night and your honeymoon. And make sure as you are planning your honeymoon, don't just think about things you're going to be doing, the place you're going to visit. You need to have those 3 items in your bag as you go for your honeymoon, as you go for your wedding night. So, item number one that you need to make sure you have with you: towels. You need towels. Ladies, if you are a virgin, I know it's not the same for everyone, but you need towels. Bleeding will happen. You need towel to clean yourself up. You need towel to keep the bed clean, to keep yourself clean. And I will advise you to go for dark colors. Don't go for white towels. And you know, in hotels, resorts, wherever you're going to go for your honeymoon, usually those places, they offer white towels, So you don't want to use white towels and they are not your towels. And the ladies who are going to come and clean the home after you, now they will see blood there. And, blood and white towels, they don't go together. So go for dark, brown, black. So take some towels with you. It's important. You need it to clean yourself. And if you bleed, you can use those towels to clean yourself. And those are your towels. You can even wrap them and clean them yourself after. The people from the hotel, they don't have to. If you are like me, those things are personal. I'd rather clean them myself. So make sure you have some towels with you. And I advise that you have dark colors. Don't go for white, but go for dark brown, black, red, those type of colors. The second item you need to have with you on your wedding night or your honeymoon bag is painkillers. Yep. You need painkillers because it's painful for the first time. Why? Because it's a muscles, that is getting used to receiving something they've not been receiving. So obviously it's going to be painful, but it's not period painful, but just have some painkillers tablets around in case you need them. You don't have to rush to the near shops when you're on your honeymoon. You can just reach your bag. So yes, have some tablets with you. And then number 3, have some lubricant. Please have some lubricant. And I will advise for water-based lubricant. So buy lubricants. I advise water-based lubricants, and make sure you have it in your wedding bag or your honeymoon bag. Make sure you take them because it's your first time. So the lubricant will help smooth the area and make it easier for intercourse to happen and all that. So yes, lubricant. You need lubricant. And I advise water-based lubricant. Number 4, as bonus, comfortable lingerie. This might seem like an obvious choice. It's so important to feel comfortable and confident. You're going to be presenting your body for the first time to your husband. So you need confidence, and you need to feel comfortable. So while you are busy buying your lingerie, and I hope you bought some, buy lingeries that are going to boost your confidence and even complement your body shape. It's all about feeling good in your skin. So pick something that will make you feel sexy, comfortable, and attractive and beautiful in your own skin, as well as comfortable enough to enjoy the moment. There you have it. 3 essential items with a bonus, just because I like you. Essential item that you need to have with you for your wedding night and your honeymoon. Every woman experience is different. Remember, every woman experience is unique to her, and it's all about creating a night that is right for you. Stay relaxed, communicate openly to your partner, to your husband, and most importantly, enjoy every moment. I hope these tips help, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to comment and subscribe for more content like this. Until I see you in the next video, stay blessed.